The OP415 is a polarity analyzer designed to test the fiber mapping and output quality of MPO cables. Individual power meters, arranged in a compact design, allow for testing polarity of a 24-fiber cable in 1.5 seconds. In addition to testing, the OP415 is able to learn new fiber mappings and store them internally for future use. The unit also has the ability to control the emission of individual lasers, which is an excellent tool for troubleshooting or as part of the cable making process. All this functionality is available through the front panel thanks to the unit's full-color touchscreen display. Contact Optotest today for more information and to schedule a demonstration.